Getting up to the hot bits yet.
Oh, fuck. Is she going to throw up?
Her face is going red though.
It is. I can see it. Like,
Yeah, her face is changing colour. Look, the eyes are gone glassy.
oh, I can smell it.
Oh, not that spicy.
5, 4, 3. Sorry. Oh, look at your eyes.
Yeah, the eyes are gone glassy as fuck.
When does the heat kick in, Dad?
She's realised her mistake.
Are you okay?
Now, you better wash your hands in warm water and soap too before you go to the toilet and wipe your pisser, because you don't want chili on your pisser, it hurts. Don't rub your eyes.
You okay? Are you gonna die? Are you gonna have all my milk?